For the southeast of England, it has been the wettest start to November on record, with records going back 150 years. So many of us still seeing scenes a little bit like this. We've got some flooded roads and fields, still 8 flood warnings in force, in fact, across parts of England, particularly towards the south. But the good news, if you have been affected by the recent flooding, is things are looking a bit drier for the rest of today and for the next few days as well. So showers tending to ease away, a little bit more sunshine breaking through. We have got low pressure moving into the northwest of the UK, so an approaching front there, but higher pressure further south. Still quite a few isobars on the chart, so it's breezy, but the worst of the rain now clearing. We had some earlier heavy showers in the southeast, some of them still affecting parts of northern England, Wales and parts of western Scotland as well. But for the rest of the afternoon, actually those showers are quite few and quite far between. So some longer spells of dry and sunny weather and still very mild. So temperatures out there between about 11 to 15 degrees today. It will turn warmer than this over the next few days. But we've got some rain to come through this evening for Northern Ireland for a time, into Scotland as well. Overnight that moves north, just becoming confined to the Northern Isles and the Western Isles by first thing tomorrow. But look at these overnight temperatures between about 10 to 14 degrees as we kick off the day tomorrow. So really more typical or even a bit higher than daytime maximums we'd expect this time of year. So into Thursday, there's that weather front pushing into the northwest of Scotland. High pressure, though, building in from the south, and that combination means we're drawing in these southwesterly winds, so bringing exceptionally mild air across the UK. Very mild conditions for this stage in November. So a lot of dry weather on the cards for tomorrow. We have got that rain across the north and west of Scotland, but it is going to be a windy feeling day. The wind breaking up the cloud with more sunshine for southern and eastern part, but gusts between about 30 to 40 miles per hour could touch close to 60 miles per hour for the Western Isles. So it is going to be a blustery day, but those temperatures really widely across the UK, 16 or 17 degrees for most of us. Could be even a bit warmer than that during Friday, but not just warm by day, but also overnight. It could be, in fact, the mildest night on record for November as we move through into the early hours of Friday. So we start Friday already in the mid-teens, fairly cloudy for most of us. Some rain again across the far northwest of the UK, more sunshine in the south and east. It's breezy, but it is very mild. So 17 or even 18 degrees on Friday. Into the weekend, not quite as warm as that, but plenty of dry weather on the cards. The weather for now looking a little bit better in the south and east. Ben.
Okay.